Are you tired of buying headphones every month or so? They just keep falling apart. You're just trying to save a buck and you want a good pair of headphones. ASUS got you covered with the ASUS ROG Strix Go 2.4 Electro Punk Wireless Gaming headset. So again, from ASUS, a pair of wireless gaming headphones that's not gonna cost you $1 billion, and they actually feel amazing. I might be wearing them now. So I do these videos so that you know everything that comes in this box, so you're not caught off guard. Oh, I need to buy this now. I'm gonna waste all this time because I didn't know. Don't worry, I'm gonna tell you everything about this and more. Stay tuned. Here she is again. In the front, we can see the headphones, just barely. ROG Strix Go 2.4 Electro Punk, high-res audio, TeamSpeak certified, Discord certified, Nintendo Switch support as well. Along the side, ROG Strix Go 2.4. Same, well, actually on the other side, just tells you a bunch of the different things you'll find in here. Then along the back, kind of just going over the specs and again talking about everything here, but I'm going to go over everything here with you guys as well. Also, the Reddot Winner of 2020. All right, you can see it a little bit more clear here. They make it so hard to open. There we go. All right, so right off the bat, welcome to Elite Republic Gamers community. Your ROG Strix Go 2.4 Electro Punk headset was designed and tested by professional gamers to immerse you fully in every thrilling experience. Get ready to rise up to the next level of gaming mastery. Game on. That's pretty cool. And their logo here, nothing along the back. All right, this is pretty awesome. It comes in this carrying case, and you can see that ASUS Republic of Gamer there. That is pretty sweet. And a little pocket here along the side. This is pretty tough actually, but I'm going to get to this in 1 second. All right, and then the gaming headset ROG Strix Go 2.4 Electro Punk, a gaming headset. This is a quick start guide. This is going to give you basic information, but in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to install it and all the features and everything. Then we have the warranty card, pretty thick warranty card, and I'll write the warranty period on the bottom here. Okay, and nothing else in there. Pretty nice box, plain black box. All right, then again, so comes with this guy here, Republic of Gamer, so you can, you know, carry it around like that. This is a zipper pouch, pretty sweet. All right, so you have your whole arsenal right here. All right, then we have, starting off all the way to the headphones, we have here the USB 3 to USB-C connection, pretty sweet. And then we have the microphone, the detachable microphone. And by the way, this first cable is about 3 feet long. Then also a 3.5 millimeter cable that is also a very nice cable, braided. This cable is also about 3 feet. And then a USB-C to USB 3.0 adapter. This is awesome to have, not only for the headphones, but just in general. Okay, nothing else in here, but again, I will show you that not only does it have these little holders for the cables, but there is a little baggie here as well. So this is meant for ultra portable gaming. Putting this aside just for right now. Okay, then it has this adapter too, USB-C. This is the wireless adapter. Yes, this can also be used wirelessly. So you don't have to use the USB-C or well, if anything, to use them, you can just use this if you have USB-C on your computer. And if you don't, you could just pop it in that and pop it in there. So they got you covered any way possible. Then this does come covered, so you definitely want to remove these as well. All right, so the features and specifications of these headphones, they come with a 40mm neodymium magnet airtight chambers with 32 ohms of impedance. The 3.5mm frequency is 10 to 40,000 hertz. The wireless frequency is 20 to 20,000 hertz. Also does come with AI noise cancellation, which I don't think I've ever used a pair of headphones that had noise cancellation, so pretty curious to see how that turns out. It has a frequency response of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, and as I showed you, that comes with a USB connection that will give you wireless 2.4 gigahertz, or also the 3.5mm audio microphone connection. The USB-C charger that I showed you is 1 meter. 3.5mm audio cable is 1.2 meters. It has in here a lithium polymer battery, so up to 3 hours of gameplay with only 15 minutes of charge time. 25 hours total battery life. So 3 hours when you get to somewhere, maybe the batteries are dead, you've used it for a little over a day, and you're only gonna play for about an hour or so. Just charge it for 15 minutes and you're good to go wirelessly. Has USB-C RF 2.4 gigahertz low latency wireless technology, then audio controls built right into the headphones. So we can see right over here, we have the volume up and down, and there you can see there is a little microphone mute. Just push that in and it mutes it. Then we have a button right over here. I don't know what it is just yet, but we'll get more into that soon. 3.5mm off, switch that to wireless. This is for, oh, it turns on, it has power. So let me turn that off right now. Then we have the 3.5mm connection right over here. On this side, we have the USB-C connection. And as you saw while I was taking it out of the box, these are the kind of headphones that are easy to pack because these are packed and then you can put them on here. And let's see just how comfortable they are. Okay, they are pretty comfortable actually. And if you have a bigger head, you can go even bigger. So you could stretch them out right over here. Now, before I put them on, I didn't know which way they went, but right over here on both sides, see the R here and the L right over here. So you're never lost connecting them or just putting them on. And again, they're pretty customizable. They also have this cushion right up here. So whereas most of you will have hair to protect on top, this keeps it nice and cushy. So that's pretty awesome, and it feels, so they're also incredibly light, so it doesn't feel like you have a big bulking headset on your head. They feel incredibly light. With this guy, the microphone, we just connect that right over here. This is the left side. We can see the L right there. So then this guy would come up right over here. If you're playing online, gaming or chatting or doing whatever, you can either have it right over here, down here, wherever you want, since this is adjustable as well, or you can just keep it off of the side. I don't know exactly just yet how good or bad it is. I literally just took it out of the box, but in the next video, I'll show you guys how to do that. Don't worry, it's coming soon. Aside from that microphone, there is, you can see right over here, I'll take that out. There is a hidden microphone as well. So the microphone boom frequency is 100 Hertz up to 8,000 Hertz. The micro boom has a bidirectional pickup pattern. The hidden microphone frequency response is 100 to also 8,000 Hertz. The hidden microphone has an omnidirectional pickup pattern as well. The boom sensitivity is 54 dB. And as I mentioned, there is that push to mute microphone. So this is compatible with PC, Mac, mobile devices, PlayStation 4, and the Nintendo Switch. Don't worry, I'll test it on all of them. It also includes these two handy packets that you do not eat, but you can throw them and they're fun. Seriously though, as soon as you take these out of the box, they're dangerous. Throw them away in the trash. But anyway, this is again an unboxing of the ASUS ROG Strix Go 2.4 Electro Punk Wireless Gaming Headset. Wireless gaming headset, that is awesome. And again, oh, look at that. And I didn't notice it comes embroidered there with the ASUS logo or the ROG logo. Beautiful. We can see right over here, ASUS right up there as well. And it's hard to tell on video, but these are see-through. And then right over here, that looks nice. Along the top, Republic of Gamers. So this is looking so far like a pretty sweet headphone. I'm actually incredibly excited to test it. Pretty awesome, right? All right, so stay tuned. I will be bringing you a lot more on this, how to configure it, how to install it. And then I'm going to be bringing you a lot more on the Electro Punk series as well. Unboxings, how to use them. My very last video for the complete review, I'm going to bring them all together and talk to you a little bit about them. All right, my friends, Iggy out. See you guys.